Bye-bye ni kasobonan. Sobonan nangal ini lang sobonan nangal.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, ikamalami Bengu, and this is my travel vlog. So right now I am at the airport. I'm at the Taiwan International Airport. So I just did all my important stuff. I checked in, everything went smoothly. Right now I am at I don't know how to pronounce this thingy. I'm not sure how to pronounce this word, but anyway, I'm here and I ordered some cappuccino and something to eat because I'm so hungry. I am so hungry. I couldn't get time to eat. There is a food court here at the airport, obviously, but because I just wanted to make sure that I find everything and then relax, so I ended up not going there. But it's going to be a very fun vlog, or it's going to be actually not even like a fun vlog today, but the next coming vlogs are going to be really exciting. I'm not going to tell you guys where I'm going as yet, but you guys will probably see where I'm going if you keep watching this vlog. And then the next vlog is basically just going to be me sharing the activities I get up to and stuff. So my travel partner, she has booked another flight, so we're not going to leave on the same flight. We are going to meet where we are going, because I think we are going to take a similar flight when we fly to our first destination. So yeah, I'm excited for that. One of the things that I didn't do, or that I didn't prepare, not really prepare, but something that I still need to sort out, is the currency, the exchange, the foreign exchange and stuff. So a friend did advise me to withdraw Taiwanese dollars, and then when I get there I am able to exchange them. So I'm hoping that goes well. So that's what I did. I did withdraw the money that I'm going to be using on the trip. So yeah, it's going to be a nice time. It's going to be a good time. I cannot wait. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I think one of the reasons why I'm so excited is because I actually, even though I knew I was gonna travel to this place eventually, but initially I had thought I was gonna travel maybe in January or somewhere next year. I actually didn't think it would be so soon. So I'm so grateful to God for helping me and enabling me to experience such things. A lot has happened. If bongela 3 months ago, would see today I'll be here boarding to that country or this country that I'm going to, I would have said you are lying, because everything just changed. And I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. I'm at a better place emotionally, physically I'm not there yet, but emotionally I'm at a better place, mentally, financially, you know, like I feel like everything is just going according to plan. So let me stop talking too much and do enjoy the rest of the vlog. If I do not come back to close off this vlog, then do enjoy, but I will try to come back and close off the vlog later on. So yeah,
because you know I'm coming back. You're making me forget my past. Never thought I'd feel like that again. I came to peace with my path. Now you got me off track. I've never been this scared before. Feelings I just can't ignore. Don't know if I should fight or fly, but I don't mind. Tripping, falling with no safety. But it must be something that you say. Is it real this time or is it in my head? Got me tripping, falling with no safety.
Let your guard down, girl. You know we came too far now, girl. It's time for you to play your part now. You know we hit that jewelry store and we gon' ball out. Ups and downs, we had some fallouts. Put some ice on you, girl, let it thaw. Girl, you're mine, it's safe to say. At the end of the day,
I've never been this scared before. Feelings I just can't ignore. Don't know if I should fight or fly, but I don't mind.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror. So foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future.
about to check in, so we're just waiting. It's so hot. We're hoping to catch the sunset and just to quickly freshen up and leave so that we can, you know, have some food and maybe a few drinks. But I'm gonna show you guys you know, snippets of how this place looks like. It's amazing. It looks good, it looks nice, it's clean. Cannot wait to show you guys our room. Yeah, I hope you're still enjoying the vlog. Okay, catch up later.
You know you're really something, yeah. How we get here so damn fast. Only you could tell me that, baby, cause you know should fight or fly, but I don't mind. falling with no safety net. But it must be something that you said. Is it real this time or is it in my head? Got me tripping, falling with no safety net.
Okay, so guys, we are here at the villa. So as you guys can see, this is the bathroom with a nice huge tub, and that's me, so tired. So this is just like a closet area or space, and then when you move this side, we have your what do you call this, tea table or tea area. This is complimentary, and then we have the bar, fridge and whatnot. So here we have this very huge, let me see, I want to turn on the lights for you guys, but we have like this very huge TV stand. And then when you move this side, we have like this very nice bed. It's so big and stuff. And then you also have that design, which, okay, it's just wall art. And then when you go outside, we have the ocean and whatnot. So I'm gonna show you guys that now, right now, so you guys can see. Okay, so this is the outfits of the day, of the night, outfits of the night. We're about to leave the hotel and go have dinner. So I'm going to insert the pictures on the screen. I'm so tired. I'm tired.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like